Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, look up in the sky. It's a bird, it's a plane. No, it's me, the Einstein of Wall Street, from the greatest financial institution in the world, the New York Stock Exchange. The ceiling, the floor, quarter for 250,000, 3 ace. Wall Street Global Trading Academy, episode 9,875 of What the Heck is Going On? Closing out Wednesday, March 4th, one of the wild and craziest weeks we've had in a while. We are at the beginning of month 3. It is 4:32 in the afternoon on Wednesday, March 4th. That's going to be 3-4-26. Ladies and gentlemen, 1.2 billion on the tape, 2-1 advances versus declines. I would say there's plenty of green on that screen. The enthusiasm and the love is back in this market. The bulls are back in charge. That's what I'm talking about. Up 250 on the Dow. Kind of closed right on the high at 48,740. So all that sort of pain that we felt for the last couple of days has completely reversed. Utilities were up. The 10-year was up. Gold was up, tech was up, Brent was up, the SPYs were up, the transports were up, the VIX were down a solid 10%, so the anxiety and fear are out of the market. And across the board, nothing but green on the screen, nothing but love in the game, and that's a good thing. Now, I think it's a really constructive day in a lot of respects because, look, it's sort of, we've disengaged a lot of the news. Once you've taken away that volatility, that sort of fast and furious volatility that happens when breaking news is hitting the tape on a constant basis and fear is in the market and fear is ruling the market, then you've got to really try and navigate and figure out what's really going on. However, once we disengage that and all that chatter and all that noise stops to really pervade everybody's mindset, then you start to see what the follow through is going to be and what people really think about the market. And there's that level of confidence that we saw come back fast and furiously, right? Think about it, how quickly that happened. We came in over the weekend, the war was fast and furious. We took care of what needed to be taken care of in an hour, which usually would have taken 3 to 4 weeks. We dealt with all the implications of yesterday with Lloyd's of London and the United States being able to ensure the safety of the tankers going through the Straits of Hormuz. That is huge. That has implications beyond the commodity, beyond the space, beyond everything. Globally, geopolitically, geoeconomic, I mean, everything. And plus, obviously, the commodity itself, because oil runs our world in so many different ways, and we were able to take care of that. We did it, and we took care of it quickly. So all that being said, the news cycle is so fast, as well as the markets are so fast, and the reaction and the landscape and the investors and the traders are so fast. They're moving at a rate that's just spectacular. So all that being said, there's so many moving parts in this thing, but at the end of the day, the most positive thing is the positivity, right? And the positivity in this market is palpable. And we felt it here today with the market closing up sizably. We're back in the game. It's a beautiful day to be alive. Great day to be trading the market. Great day to get in the game. I love you all. Have a great night. Einstein, out.